So what is the whole idea behind the parameterizing? Parameterizing is basically that we know the function that is responsible. There's only one function does that is needed, which is this one. You want to show the end, you want to show an image, but this function requires the path. Requires a path where the image requires basically this function. So actually it requires this function where it has to be like this. This is exactly what really should happen. It takes this function, so this function here takes this function to read. The result of this function is the image. Again, the result of this function here returns an image, and this function here shows the image. Now forget about this, it's just a conversion. Now this function right here that reads the image, it's going to read the image. This function that reads the image requires the path of the image. So parameterizing, again, I'm sorry for repeating. I should practice more before making the video. Parameterizing is this, where the path, instead of copying the whole thing of the path and put it inside this right here, we are saving the path in this variable that is a string. This is a text, basically. As you can see, double quotation means that this is a text. So this function takes the text of a text that represents the path, and so you have the path, and basically it reads it, and then this function it reads the path, and this function then stores the image, reads the image from the path, and this function right here shows the image that is returned from this function after providing the path. So parameterizing is basically saving all these things inside variables. That's why you have to define the variables first, then we call the final function.